At 11 minutes past 6, you are looking live at a mainly clear view from Carter Mountain looking off towards the west. In the far distance there looking towards the Blue Ridge is the Rivanna River, and we're seeing some fog along the river drives first thing this morning. Expect a similar sight on Monday morning as well. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick for your first forecast for Charlottesville and Central Virginia on this Sunday. We'll start off in the pleasant 50s and 60s and end up in the 80s for the second half of the day with sunshiny skies, a little more humid but not oppressive just yet. For the Shenandoah Valley, Harrisonburg, Stanton, Waynesboro, here's your first forecast, rising through the 50s and 60s this morning into the 80s later on today with sunshiny skies and a light south breeze. Let's check out our weather video, our nature video coming to us from Greene County. Great video coming to us from Kat Collier into the Ruckersville area, showing Dundee Road Bridge near the Ruckersville vicinity. Of course, a little more than 2 weeks ago, this was flooded out because of the tropical storm Debbie produced nearly a summer's worth of rainfall. But now it's a tranquil weekend. There will be sparse rain chances over the next week or so. Keep those pictures and videos coming. The easiest way to get them to us from your smart device is through the 29 First Alert weather app. So if you see it, snap it and send them our way. You may see your pictures and videos right here on the weather segment. Right now, numbers are pleasant in the 50s and low 60s. Many areas will have about a 30-degree rise in temperature from now to about 3 p.m. today. 29 First Alert Doppler is dry. There's the live VDOT camera in the Harrisonburg vicinity. We said good morning to you. No weather issues heading out the door to perhaps run some errands, going to church, breakfast, or brunch later on. But later on Monday afternoon, there will be a weak weather disturbance head our way from the Great Lakes area, and that will give us an opportunity for a couple of thunderstorm chances later on Monday. And that will also give us a warmer southwest wind flow that will pump up the heat and the humidity for the middle and end of the week for sure. Lately, we've had invigorating air. It's been very pleasant. Dew points have been under 50 degrees. That is going to change for the next several days. Dew points by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday will be in the, nearing the oppressive category. That means daytime highs in the low 90s will feel a bit hotter than that. Watching that northwest flow on Monday between about, we'll say, 2 to 7 p.m. from northwest to southeast on Monday. A couple of thunderstorms will be on the prowl, but they're going to be few and far between. A localized severe thunderstorm cannot be ruled out, especially near and mainly north of the Route 33 corridor. Any thunderstorm later on Monday and Monday evening, early Monday evening, may pose a localized damaging wind risk. This isn't going to be anything that will be a severe weather outbreak. Highs in the low to mid 90s through midweek, but it will feel hotter with the heat index. It may feel closer to 100 degrees on Wednesday, and it will turn a little more unsettled by Thursday, Friday into Labor Day weekend. Scattered rain chances, not all day rains though, as we go towards the end of the week and the 1st of September. Your forecast for this Sunday, August the 25th, in the 80s, mostly sunny skies after a pleasant start to the day. Tonight, it'll be more mild. I think it'll be a little more humid too, lows in the 60s. Your forecast on Monday, hazy, hot, humid, 85, 90, 92 degrees, and there's a spotty storm chance later in the day into the early evening hours. Here's your 7-day forecast. It is a hot last week of August in the 90s on Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday will be the hottest day of the week. It'll feel like 100 degrees, and then some scattered showers and storm chances Thursday, Friday into Labor Day weekend at times. Not all day rains, but of course, as it turns hotter and more humid, there will be an opportunity for a half hour to an hour scattered shower and thunderstorm.
The last full week of August. Then we go into Labor Day weekend next weekend.
Labor Day is a week from tomorrow, September the 2nd.
It's crazy how time flies.
Indeed.
September 1st is on Sunday, right?
Yeah, next Sunday, and it'll feel like the heart of summer though this week. So if you're a fan of summer weather, if you have your pool still open, a good time to head out and about.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Josh. And don't forget,